Today we're doing a cocktail. Time to switch it up a bit. Time to get to the fun stuff. And that would be a cocktail today. It uses one of my favorite liquors, Germain, which is an elderflower liquor. So it has a really nice flavor and also adds quite a bit of sweetness, which I think pairs really well when you're using a liquor like a gin or a vodka. I have used a gin because I prefer gin, but you could absolutely substitute vodka. There's lime juice, mint, the elderflower liquor, gin and tonic. I have to say, this is a refreshingly divine cocktail for a warm day. And we are having a beautifully sunny, warm spring day here in France. So I couldn't have picked a better day to make a cocktail. Hope you enjoy it. Cocktail sorted for your next dinner party. I hope you give it a try. You might be wondering where we are today, and this is where I actually shoot all my videos. It's sort of like a little conservatory, and so there's lots of natural light. So I hope you don't mind. Went a little casual and thought I'd show you a little bit of behind the scenes where these videos actually get made. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. More videos coming every Wednesday.